What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Token Drew, and I'm here with another edition of Pack N Unpack, the series where I pack a bowl and unpack some cool shit. And today, we have ourselves a blind unboxing. Of course, a double, one medium-sized one, one bigger-sized one. So, let's go on and get this party started. It's a hot day up here today in the man cave attic, that's for sure. Wonder if I see any comments of people being upset at me calling it the man cave. Shit. Who we have today? We have... my suspect figure of Vegeta and Trunks. I really wish these people would stop smashing my goddamn boxes. Like, what's going on, UPS? Yeah, this one, I really only bought this because I don't have Super Saiyan Kid Trunks. I have every other version of Trunks, every other version of Vegeta. I even have a grade 8 coming in soon. So I had to get this. So it comes with 3 pieces. You got Trunks looking up. You got Jesus Christ, Vegeta looking down. And then you got a base. So let me just turn off the light. So Vegeta looking pretty good. It's questionable posing, especially with that look on his face. Because you get Chibi Trunks, you got Chibi Trunks right here. Alright? See him? He's looking all up, and he's looking down. But it's one of those figures where, like, I had to get him. I absolutely had to. And look, finally we got Vegeta with the correct shoes. You know, I've been bitching about that. We finally got him right. So Vegeta, and then we put Trunks on the peg. Maybe Trunks goes on first. So then we're about to move into our second box. Let me just fit him on. I mean, it looks, the characters look good. It's just such an unfortunate posing situation they have him in. But, you know, it's a scene from the show. And as a collector, like, I originally didn't want to get this figure, I'm not going to lie. I was kind of worried about it. I was like, man, it looks suspect as hell. I mean, maybe my mind's too much in the gutter. But the scene is right before Vegeta blows himself up. Alright, it's supposed to be a touching moment. A father consoling his son before he goes and makes the ultimate sacrifice. Alright, that's what it's supposed to be. But when you take a look at it, and it definitely looks paused. But hey, now I can say I finally have all of them. They're going to fit right over there where all my Trunks and Vegetas are. That's where they're going to go. So that's one down. Alright, the dramatic showcase. You know, it has some good detail to it. I'm not going to lie. I like the detail and everything. So I'm going to take a hit, and I'm going to move on to the next. Alright, next one. The bigger box. I'm assuming it's going to be his royalty. Because I ordered him the same time as my Miles Morales, and he hasn't come. So, let's see if my assumption is correct. I can see the top of the box right now. And it says Legend Saiyan. So, haha, I was right. King Vegeta. So now I have all of Vegeta's family. Let's take him out. You know, when I was first looking at him, I'm not going to lie, I saw like the way the eyes were, and as I've said plenty of times in these over 30 videos I've done now, the eyes, man, that makes or breaks it for me for these figures, because you can turn something amazing into something rubbish just by giving them shit eyes. And it always looked like King Vegeta had shit eyes. But either way, when I got Bardock, I knew that I was going to have him eventually. And the eventuality finally came. So, King Vegeta. So here's how he comes out the box, alright? Vegeta with the goatee and a cape. That's what he is. I'm digging the detail of the cape and the swoopness of the hair. His base is blue. That's weird. Not many people have light-colored bases. I almost want to put him on the light-up platform, but I'm not. Because, I mean, yay, King Vegeta, but I mean, Bardock isn't on the light-up platform, and he's actually like a fan favorite. This nigga only appeared in like 3 episodes. Doesn't matter how many episodes he appears in, though, because now he is a part of the collective. So, yeah, so all my figures were Vegeta-centric. I got the whole, in one swoop I got like a whole generation, you know, I got the father, the son, the grandfather, you know, so here we go. King Vegeta, Prince Vegeta, and Princess Trunks, for any of my Dragon Ball Abridged fans out there. So yeah, there we go. I'm going to take some pictures and set these bastards up, and we're going to move on. Anyway, your boy Token Drew. Peace.
Drew be on that real shit. I'm on that real shit. Who be on that real shit? I'm on that real shit. Real talk, we similar. I hustle, you hustle. I rise, you rise. I struggle and you struggle. Is my shit so different? Cause I talk like I'm educated. Am I struggling the same cause I weigh the tables? Y'all fuckers at my stage exaggerate and say I ain't real cause I ain't a felon. I'm the one buying drugs that you selling. You hustling for a living, but I'm buying cause my pocket's overzealous. Yeah, I might be nice, have a dime wife. Girl by my side, no matter the dark time. Got a top fan before the limelight. I ain't really winning, but I'm doing alright. Me and my son had a conversation while TMNT playing on the PlayStation about him going up to be a Power Ranger. Said, you can do it, boy, you'll be the greatest. Show up to work, I'm blazed faded. Working at dicks, I'm addicted to tables. My left eye glowing like my name is.
What's up, everybody? We are back. So I've done a bit of rearranging, but here is where I have the Vegeta and Trunks combo, right in my Vegeta and Trunks area. And then we have King Vegeta right down here. I kind of have him next to Frieza and across from Bardock, so eventually I'll do more about that. But there are the two new guys. Right here, back here. Alright, anyway, so that's been that. I'm your boy Token Drew. Live up, smoke out, and game on. I'm out this bitch. Peace!